What's up, YouTube? I spilled coffee all over my desk this morning. Everywhere. Gonna give it a minute. Where is... There should be an alert. What is going on? Hang tight. What do you mean? Who's fucking with me? Someone's fucking with me, guys. My Carlbot's all fucked up. Hang on. Who we got in here? What's up, Jay? Good morning. Yeah, I literally just opened up the Carlbot and it's not even linked anymore. I'm telling you, shit's been all fucking weird. It's been very weird. Give me 1 second. Let me, I'm gonna link it again. I spilled coffee everywhere. My desk is still soaked. I gotta take this mat off. Copy link. Carl, where are you? YouTube Live. Paste. This doesn't look right. I don't know what's going on. I don't even know. I'm gonna have to fuck with this later. I'm not playing with it too much now. I don't have the patience for this shit. So what's going on, Jay? How we doing, brother? Let's take a peek. What a move up, huh? What a move up. Golden pocket, 786. This is probably like the 12 or something. 16? Yeah, it's a 16-hour pull. Not bad. Oh, fit this up a little bit. Yeah, I don't hate it. So, I mean, in a nutshell, man, I'm still not convinced that we're going to roll over to the downside yet. I'm just not. Like, I really do think we're coming up into here. This just so happens to be up here. I don't ever account for a VWAP. It's just not in my trading nature. It's not what I do. Oops. Oh, you want to know why? I'm an idiot. Because I wasn't using Carl Bop. That's why. Where's my Carl Bop? That shit out of here. Live alerts, publish stream. Yeah, it should be good. This should be good. I don't know why it didn't happen. It should have alerted. I don't know. I'll play with it later. I'll play with it later. Let me get rid of this freaking Carlbot thing here. Open her up. Alright. Let's fucking go, guys. Let's fucking go. So, we had a really good move up. I mean, alright, this break is still pending on the daily. I mean, this doesn't really mean shit to me, but you know, if we do drop down, you got that guy. You got this guy. For anybody who likes to use trend lines, channels work sometimes. It's not my favorite, but they work sometimes. Right, we broke this downtrending momentum line. Does it mean a lot? I don't know, because we broke it over here. Whoa, easy, take it easy. We broke it over here too, right? Here you are. Boom, and then we just fucking roll over, right? So, what's more important to Brian? For starters, we're inside of this daily supply. Right? We are inside of it. 16-hour structure pull. We're in that fib, 786. It's the golden pocket of the daily fib pull. Here's the thing. Yes, we're in these areas. This is a rejection zone. But I am not expecting right now, let's go to the 4-hour. Right now, I'm not expecting to come all the way down. Right? I'm not expecting this. I'm not expecting to come down. Why? Well, first, we got a flip structure. We haven't done that yet. So until we take out this low confidently at 78,000, I like I said, I've been saying I can only assume up. Second, I don't think this is ready. Like, even if we do come down, like, I would still expect something like that, and which would look something like this, right? Let's say we do. Potentially. Potentially. And that's what I'm going to be looking for. So until that happens, we assume long. Long zone. I longed this guy. This morning I longed it. No. See if it plays. This will be really cool. And I'm even looking higher. That's just going to be TP1. I'm telling you guys, like, I do want higher. I want this guy all the way up here. That's what I want. The oscillator's not screaming it's done. We don't have the nice curvature of these bearish divergence that typically come with the reversal, right? So if it's not screaming reversal at me, you know, I'm picking the highest time frame, or the lowest time frame, I should say, that is the most consistent. Not on this entire move up, but like on this leg here, right? This leg here, we don't have any hourly false breaks. We have a couple SFPs, but that's not a break to me, right? So until we get an hourly bearish move, I'm not really going to be looking to short it, you know, to these lows or to this low. So let's see what the 2-week looks like. I just want to touch on that quick, right? Because that's the trading stuff. That's the immediate. All right, 2-week. Bearish divergence. Money flow's looking to curve up a little bit. I mean, I'm still looking here for a short. If we don't get above this 98,000, I'm not. We got to roll over to the downside. We just do. Like what happened here? Let's see. Was it the 3-week maybe? or 4 week. I'm lost. Oh, here it is. The 2 week. It was the 2 week. Why wasn't it pulling this way before? Or maybe it was. You know, we came up and we tapped ourselves into the supply. We rejected. Came up, boom, 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 boom. We reject. Same thing, boom, 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 boom. You gotta. Like, I can only assume we're gonna reject. Things look juicy. We have some bull divs. Don't get me wrong. And like I said before, I expect a full rotation, aka say we do get into this area, and we do build a range, and we start breaking bearishly. I want some bearish divergence. I mean, I'd like it at least on the 4 hour to look good, to give me hope that a move from up here will indeed come back and take the low. You know, ultimately coming for this guy for me. That's just the next area of interest for Brian. Macro-wise, of course, if we do take the low, we should be coming down, tapping into this, and then we should have another bounce. But we'll see. Also, guys, Discord is free now. Get in there. Links in the description. Check the box. You know, the terms and conditions. Just BS. But just check that box. Go through the stuff. DM me. Let's get you a week free of that tier 1 so you can just get a peek of what's going on. And then you'll read all the terms and conditions. You'll see what's going on in there and how it operates, because it's different, right? There's no monthly subscription. It's free. But it's based on trading volume, based, aka what you're doing already, and in hopes that we get enough buy-in and we can have some leverage with these exchanges and get everyone really good fucking fees, along with some giveaways and all that stuff, right? The power is in numbers for everything. So work together, get something out of it. But go check it out. It's free. Couldn't hurt you. 4-day, 5-day. Bullish divergence, right? We had the bull divs. Well, not here. Not on the 3-day. Go to the 4-day. Or maybe we don't on the 4-day. 5-day? Yeah, we do on the 5-day. Right? Curvature up, but this momentum wave is looking to potentially roll over now, right? We're getting a little overheated. Money flows coming out from here. Let's see what this looks like. Yeah, see, we got bearish divergence from all the way back here. Like it. This is a potential rollover zone oscillator-wise. Obviously, in the candles, we just touched on that. So, but then you look at the 3-day, the 2-day. I'll go to the 2-day too, right? We're looking strong, right? So we can absolutely poke up in here. We can SFP this guy, come up in and grab this liquidity to then roll over, or shit, we could see all-time highs. Who the fuck knows? But right now, I'm looking for these continuations, all the way up. Until I see those signals, those signs, my confluences that we should be looking for a good short. So any short I take now is going to be, a scalp. I'm going to be in and out. If I do at all, I don't like shorting into long zones unless it's, I don't know. Let's just say it's in, we hit the 786, we get a 15-minute confirmation. 5-minute confirmation. I'll look to short it into a lower time frame bounce zone, even if we go lower, just to protect my ass. But typically, I just want those longs, right? Let me go up, wait for it to come back, and then I take it again. Makes me happy, and it works. 12-minute, 15-minute. We did break bearish. Right, we did break bearish, but I'm just not convinced that it's going to hold. I think that we broke bearish to come down to this hourly supply, or demand, I'm sorry. This fib level, we grabbed this hourly order block, and I'm expecting to either range here or move up. Doesn't mean it's going to happen, right? We haven't broke bullish again in the 1 minute, I don't think. Yeah, we have not. So this is the rollover zone. We got bearish divergence on the 1 minute. We can come back down and take this low here at 81. But obviously you gotta break bullish on a 1 minute minimum to then anticipate higher prices. At least that's how I do it. And we don't have any bullish divergence or nothing. We have immediate bearish divergence in our face. Yeah, we don't even it probably would make sense to take the low. But we'll see. Because these higher time frames this is a bounce zone. right? We're putting in hidden bullish divergence here, right? We're making higher lows, right? Higher lows. And then on the oscillator, we're putting in lower lows. So this could look to come up, and that could be an indication that we're gonna go up higher. My neighbor's smoking the devil's lettuce. It smells really fucking good, actually. I don't even smoke. But sometimes the good stuff just smells good. You know, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? Spilled coffee on my phone this morning. All over my desk, on my phone, the charger's not working. I have to use the wireless charging because it's telling me there's liquid within the charging Jimmy John, whatever you want to call it. So that's great. But anywhoozers, yeah, I mean, I think yeah, like all this structure, right? I mean, I can only assume we're gonna go higher, and I got to look for bounces until I am told otherwise. And there you go. There's a long zone in here somewhere. All right, we got some. Got some Fibonacci's right here. Order blocks right here. So like even if we come down, right, it could make sense to bounce here and then do this, right? But who am I? You know, higher time frame, 8 hour. Say we do bounce here. We come down. We grab this demand, even though it's technically been mitigated, it's okay. We come into demand, grab here, boom, 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 boom. We change. Maybe you can target the high. Right? There's a lot of possibilities. We just got to be patient. Right? We got to be patient. Not too bad. All right. Oh, let's chill. Let's see if we can find a scalp live here. Oh, boy. Oh, that's the good stuff, boys and girls. That's the good stuff. Oh, wait a second. Was I supposed to I think I'm supposed to go live in Kyle's Discord right now. Hold on. It's 10:40. I forgot about it already. Yeah, it's 10:30. I'm 10 minutes late. Can't win them all. Jay, I'll see you over there.